Well, this has been a successful little scavenge for this hyena. I just noticed it coming down the road, and it's got itself a very large portion of giraffe there, and it's stopped right here to show us all its beautiful find there. So it's managed to sneak its way around the lions and get in to the giraffe. It does seem to be a portion of the neck. Whatever it is, it's a nice little treat for this hyena. But all of the hyenas seem to be moving in on this carcass now. Now the other one's just telling it, go get your own feed, this is mine. And it looks like that is exactly where this one is heading. So it's definitely heading towards the carcass.